Hello guys, today, this is my first video on this channel. Last time I was actually on a different account that I didn't want to be on. So that's why I'm switching to Roblox account thingy on this channel. So yeah, let's get started. And we're building today a house, and that's what we're going to be doing. I need to search up houses. Okay, so I've been scrolling, for like millions of years, and I finally found one that I shall do. Okay. I'll just do, Okay, now that I got my thingy-mabobber up, I don't know. How do I start this? Okay, obviously start with walls. There we go. Now I need the picture of the house. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ow. There. I would do 2 back. Actually. 1 back. And then. Actually, I'm kind of excited for this house. This. 1 back again. And trees. When I'm doing the interior, I'm probably just gonna look up interior and then, yeah, do the interior. This is the house. Oh wait, no, I messed up. There's another wall here. Oops. And then, I would do 2 back. And then, okay. Oh gosh, that's big. Then, oh no. There. Hey. Upstairs. It's the same. And then I can do whatever I want for the back because I have no idea what it is for the balcony. H. Wait, there is no. There. In 1 swoop. Okay. Now that I'm terrible at roofs, that's okay. How am I gonna do this? You know that little, like, window thing here? I'm not gonna make that. I'm just gonna make a roof. And I don't care. Roofy roof, roof. Ah! Cat! How rude of a cat. Okay, now I shall do this for this, 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 yes, that. Then this, 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 this. No, not this again. Okay, so this is, okay. I mean, it's not the best, but gotta deal with it sometimes. I need a darker color. Nope. Oh. I'll just do that. And here. Here. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. And now, this part. Cat. Oh. Oh my gosh. This one shall be this color. White. Yes. Same with over there. And this one shall be alright. Now for color. Color has to be like color. I don't know. That's the same color. And this has to be this. And like this? Yes. Same with this one. And this one. And this one. And this one. And this one. There we go. But now, for here, do, why does this house feel so big? Probably because it is so wide. I don't know how to explain it any other way. And then the top is like this, and this. Okay. I'm gonna add like the doors and the windows and stuff. Doors. And then feels really big. Alrighty then. And then a big window. Oh, I was in a different section. Windows. I'll do this one. Looks like this one's dead. Okay. For the last two things I'm going to do for today, also I added windows and curtains. This was the closest thing I could find to what it was. The final thing we're going to add is a driveway and path. Build. And a garage door. There's actually two of them. I'm gonna use these. No, I'm not. No. Oh no, I'm gonna have trouble with doors. I'm just gonna do two of these. They're close enough. Okay, that's good enough. Alright. Do this and this. And that's good. But now, I need a driveway. So if you want to know how to do a path with like 4, this is how you do it. Put one there, here. Well, as far as you would like it. I would want it right there. And then you do that, and go all the way over here. And to make a path, you do this, and this. That's close enough to the path. And yeah, I'm gonna color this next video. So yeah. Next video I'll color all of it and do everything. So I hope you liked this video. Remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye!